Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, today appealed Manipur governor to extend 7-day ultimatum for surrendering arms, while also acknowledging that recovering of weapons was a necessary step under the law. Taking strong exception on the aggressive stance taken by Central Security Forces in the valley areas in violation of the 7 days timeline set by the Manipur governor for surrendering arms, Cocomi urged the governor to initiate formal engagement with local youth leaders to ensure a cooperative approach in recovering arms from civilian volunteers by avoiding any hasty or forceful actions in the process. In a press release signed by its convener of subcommittee, IPR Laikram Jayanta, the CSO maintained that the Maira Paibis, local groups and volunteers have raised serious concerns over the aggressive stance taken by Central Security Forces in various parts of the valley districts. It further questioned the Central Forces for not adhering to the governor's instructions and for displaying hostility towards local youths. Cocomi further underscored the importance of recognizing the circumstances that led local youth to take up arms and loot weapons, highlighting that the situation arose due to the incompetence of the government's security forces in protecting vulnerable villages at the peak of the crisis. It also stated that the process of arms confiscation must also extend to the unaccounted number of illegal arms smuggled across the border and used by Kuki armed groups operating under the suspension of Operation Sioux agreement with the government of India. Cocomi also demanded governor and relevant authorities to shift the camps of Kuki militants under Sioux from surrounding hill areas to other locations so that people in valley can feel safer. While observing that the government of India cannot legitimize the existence of foreign origin armed narco-terrorist groups, KNO, UPF, under the pretext of peace talks, the CSO said, Centre should prioritize national security, the rule of the law and the protection of indigenous communities when engaging with such groups.